Hey guys, it's around 4:30, June 3rd right now. I'm gonna start the 2010 football box break of Crown Royale and 2010 certified. Give my voice, I got the allergies going on, so let's get this started. Let's start with the 2010 certified. And here's the barcode if anybody wants it. It's not too clear. Checkbook. Okay, we got Darren Sproles, Chris Cooley. Oh, first pack, first hit. Randy Moss, when he was still Patriot. Number 39 to 100. Hakeem Nicks, Derek Mason. Hines Ward, Bernard Berrien, Matt Schaub, Jake Delhomme, Wes Welker. Kellen Winslow Jr. We got an autograph of Blair White for the Colts right here. Numbered 97 to 250. Lee Evans, Jamal Charles, Cedric Benson, Matthew Stafford. Michael Vick, Derek Mason, Vicente Chienko, Roddy White, Pierre Gasson. Donnie Avery, Navarro Bowman, Nishan Marino, Tim Hightower, Brian Urlacher. Again, sorry for my voice, I got allergies right now. Okay, here we go. Darius Hayward Bay, Deion Branch, Austin Coley, Anthony Fasano, Mahad Masakwi. We got Steve Smith, Vince Young. We got a redemption card right here. I'll put this up later in the description, see who it is. D'Angelo Williams, Tony Romo, Jeremy Shockey. Well, actually, you know what? I'll check this right now. Hold on. It's a Mirror Gold. Hold on. Mirror Gold Immortals Prime. Can't really see that on the recorder, but hold on. You know what? I'll check that one later. Heath Miller, Andre Roberts, Eli Manning, Donald Driver, Brandon Marshall. We got Josh Freeman, Jeremy Maclin, season number 94 to 250 for the Chargers, and it is Antonio Gates. Here we got Kevin Walter, Benjamin Watson. TJ Hashmanzita, Garrett Graham, Fred Jackson, Dwayne Bowe, Tom Brady, Calvin Johnson Jr. Okay, on to the second box. So I'm going to try and make this video 2 parts. I'm going to stop right here and get back on.